Today on Nana Roshmita, we are making peas pulao. This easy one-pot dish is packed with flavor and perfect for days when you want a delicious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's dive in straight away. Start by heating some oil in a pot over medium heat. Add a dollop of ghee for extra richness and let it melt into the oil. Toss in a bay leaf, a stick of cinnamon, a few green cardamoms, cloves, and some whole black pepper. Let these sizzle until their fragrance fills the air and the spices infuse with the oil. Next, add a handful of cashews and fry them on low heat until they turn a light golden color. Just remember, don't brown the cashews too much now since they will keep cooking with the rice and could burn later on. Then, add some grated ginger and a slit green chili. Adjust the chilies based on how spicy you like it. Saute them briefly to bring out their flavors. Now, add your drained basmati rice that has been washed and then soaked for 30 minutes. Stir gently to coat each grain with fragrant oils and spices. Just be careful not to break the rice. Next, we will add the peas. Fresh or frozen, both are great. Mix them in so they are well coated with the flavors. For seasoning, sprinkle in some cumin powder, garam masala, and salt to taste. Stir everything together so the spices are evenly mixed. Then add 2 cups of water for the cooking liquid. Stir and make sure to scrape up anything sticking to the bottoms or the sides of the pot. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. This little trick keeps the rice from clumping together and adds a nice touch of freshness. Bring it all to a gentle boil, then turn the heat low, cover the pot and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the water has been absorbed. Once it's done, turn off the heat, stir it and let the pulao sit covered for about 5 minutes. This helps the rice settle and makes sure each grain is perfectly cooked. And there you have it, a simple yet flavorful peas pulao. The rice is light and fluffy with each grain separate and infused with warm aromatic spices. If you love this recipe, give this video a like and until next time, happy cooking!